Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Guys, today I'm from HALLANDALE, building called Lamer. And we have beautiful apartment. Excellent renovated, the best shape which is you can get. You don't need to make anything because this is primary resident of those people. You just want to buy something bigger. So this is 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. So if you're thinking about some apartment on a beach, this is going to be one of the best options. Guys, I would like to listen to your comments. I'm going to reply to all of you. And asking price $489,000 and the maintenance for this unit $550. So let's start as you like it. I like to start from the door and let's see the apartment. Okay guys, let's go to luxury renovated apartment. I cannot say brand new because building is not brand new, but inside you're gonna see brand new apartment with all luxury stuff which is you can mention. The guys using for themselves. It's not flip, it's not resell, which is people make simple cheap renovation. There's people using for themselves and they love the apartment. This is main thing. When you love, you invest money. When you don't love, you make in the cheapest way. This is what you're gonna get. This is apartment, guys, you cannot find any problem with. Okay, let's start from the luxury brand new kitchen. So kitchen was totally renovated. It was replaced and replaced with the most luxury stuff. And again, if you're gonna see luxury like Aqualina, Jade, Trumps, guys, this is the same way kitchen was done. Quartz countertop and double sink. And again, this is glossy finish. I mean, I know sometimes you're coming to sales office of brand new building, guys, and they're talking to you, oh, it's gloss finishes and everything. Guys, it's exactly the same finishes. If you need the kitchen like this, ask me. I will try to help you all the time. So everything was done, like I said, for owner's use. So it's not cheap renovation. They did everything for themselves. You're gonna ask me, Boris, why are they selling? Because they want something bigger. You know, sometimes people using couple years, they want something bigger, different, and this is statistically people using 3-5 years and they want to move forward. So this is 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. So asking price as today $489. Guys, I would like to listen to your comments if it's right price, if it's overpriced, if it's not enough price. You know, this is your choice. So this is half bathroom, like I said, pharmacy condition, everything in excellent shape. You're not gonna see any mold, you're not gonna see any caulking cracks, you know. So you're gonna see an apartment which is people love. And this is main thing when you're buying from owners, not from flippers. You're gonna get totally different apartment and quality of the work. Because yesterday I did some showing how ugly people do the renovation. They're trying to save money on $100. So this is a closet which is on entrance, and like you see, all doors, everything was replaced. And guys, flat ceiling. This is ceiling which is make feeling as you in $1 million apartment. And asking price for this unit only $489. Plus, guys, this is on a beach, 1 bedroom on a beach side, which is you have beach facility, you have towels, you have beach service, and maintenance for this unit $500. Now the building has assessment, which is gonna improve the building 2022. And guys, I know it's cost money to the building and to the owners, but guys, you're gonna get brand new building from inside. And this is what you're gonna enjoy. Like I said, this is windows already replaced. This is impact windows. So basically you can stay here if gonna be tomorrow Oregon. You can stay here and not to worry about. And this is a view of the unit. The unit has gorgeous view on the north. This is north view. You can see the beach club, which is maybe like 30-40% more expensive than this one. But believe me, with a couple, when they're gonna finish renovation, it's gonna be more luxury than other building. And you see a lot of noise around because everything gonna be replaced. Pool, bar, restaurant downstairs. This building has tennis court. This is has 3 towers. This is tower west, this is tower east, and we in tower south. So they have shared pool. So, and all towers connected to the same management, and they have, all of them has renovation. By the way, this railing gonna be replaced with the glass, so this is still not replaced. All shutters gonna be removed. It will take them another maybe month or two, and it's gonna be gone. So unit, like I said, 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. But again, guys, look size of the bedroom. Some people has bedroom half of this size, and again, this is big size drawers and big size king size bed. Again, everything like you see, made with a luxury feeling. Again, and the bedroom has flat ceiling, and it has walk-in closet with a lot of shelves and brand new bathrooms. Again, guys, the owners replaced everything for themselves. Apartment in excellent shape, and everything was done with a good taste and good materials. Guys, asking price $489, maintenance $550, plus they have assessment, but again, it's part of negotiation, and I would like to listen to your comments if it's good deal or bad deal. So guys, Boris Gelfand, HALLANDALE.